Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's have a fast facelift using this mask. If you have oily skin or suffer from an outbreak, this will help. Egg whites help reduce excess sebum by shrinking the size of your pores, and it will also give your skin a firmer and more even look as it fights fine lines, sunspots, rosacea. Lemon is also a natural source of vitamin C and rich in alpha hydroxy acids. The combination of egg whites and lemon will help create the perfect face mask for acne or oily skin. And so many more benefits that these ingredients offer. Check out my website for more information on that. I will link down below. Let's see how we prepare this. Take your egg and carefully separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Then you can also use the egg yolk to make a hair mask, which I will link down below. Like that, you get the use of the whole egg. Beat your egg white until it becomes really frothy. And then take your lemon. I do that because the lemon will release its juice faster. And use half of the lemon. Squeeze the lemon juice into the egg white. And then make sure you cleanse your skin before applying the face mask. Apply your face mask all over your face, and you can even apply it under your jawline or down your neck and cleavage. Make sure you avoid the eye area because the skin is more sensitive there and more dry. Leave on for 30 minutes. After that, I rinsed my face with lukewarm water until you get all the face mask off and dab your skin dry, and then make sure you don't forget to apply your moisturizer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!